right, hey everyone, we're going to go over how to do 3.6, the Law of 12 Tables or tablets. All right, so you want to read the definition for a friendly reminder of civic duty and written laws. And remember, this looks really small on my screen, so if you need to change the zoom, remember you can do that at any time, so it's a little bit bigger for you to read. All right, so what you're going to do is you're going to read a section. All right, then actually look at the primary source of the Law of 12 Tables. Like this is how it was written on those slabs of stone. All right, so some of it's a little difficult of a reading. To the best that you can. Remember, you can always go to the Read Write extension to have that read to you. All right, so the first one, Table 1, is going to talk about proceedings and preliminary to trial, how a trial works. And then Table 3 is going to be the execution of judgment. All right, all the way down, and you're going to go through all of these tables here. Then you're going to see the questions that you need to answer. All right, so we have one in the blue and one in the purple. So it says, what evidence from each of the above tables shows that women of Rome had little or no power? So you're going to go right here, boom. All right, you're going to go through and you're going to find this right here. You can type it or you could copy and paste it, all right, and put it in the box, all right? You could go here. This says, if anyone who has no direct heirs, the nearest male agnet should have the estate. Well, it doesn't say anything, the nearest male. That doesn't give women any role or any rights. So for example, if my husband died, okay, the land in our house would not go to me. All right, if we were living in ancient Rome, remember I have 2 girls, it would not go to them. We don't have any other kids. So my house, the house I've lived in with my husband, would not go to me, and it would not go to any of our children because they are girls. It would go to our next closest male relative, and his next closest male relative would be his brother. All right. So it kind of shows that women have little to no power. All right. So that's what they're looking for here. Then it says, based on the table or citing evidence, explain a shared attitude of Roman and Greek Spartan towards children. All right. So you're going to come up here and read. All right. And you can see in this table here, it kind of talks about what we learned in Sparta as well. A notably deformed child shall be killed immediately. Right? Remember, the Spartans left any babies that didn't look strong enough. They left them on the mountainside to die. All right. So for this one, what's the shared attitude that Romans and Greeks had towards children? So you're going to type it in that box here. You're going to go down here and read the 7th, 8th, and looks like the 9th table. You're going to give evidence that supports the rights and fair treatment of a free-born Roman citizen. All right, so you're going to look in here, and you're going to go ahead and find your evidence to support how free-born Roman citizens are treated fairly. All right, then you're going to watch this video on the Law of 12 Tables and list 3 new facts that you learned. When you're finished, you can go ahead and submit. If you have any questions, you can send me an email. Do the best that you can with this one. This is kind of a tough one, but do the best that you can of finding the answers and supporting that decision. All right, when you're done, make sure you turn it in, and I'll see you back here again tomorrow.